What is going on YouTube? Y'all already know who it is. Your boy Kimar back at it with another video for y'all. Alright guys, today we're gonna be doing a quick just a quick video, you know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna give y'all a little walkthrough what we got done to the scat pack. Alright, so far we got the tape over it, you know what I'm saying, the racing stripes. You know, your boy did this yesterday. It's not done yet, so I'm not gonna give y'all the full review on that one. And I got the I already took, you know, the yellow plastic off this joint right here, you know what I'm saying. I got the red pinstripe on it, you know, they ain't looking sick. Then I got for the back, we're gonna work back here, so I'm gonna have to show y'all anyways. But I got the red pinstripes on this, but so the racing stripe is not done yet. I still gotta finish doing the trunk and you know, the rest of the body, you know, but we're not done with that. Once I get done with that, then I'll let y'all in on it. But today we're gonna be debadging the scat pack. All right, we're gonna be debadging the 2021 scat pack, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave the charger on it, you know, because it's already blacked out, you know, so I ain't gonna mess with that. Definitely leaving the B on there, you know what I'm saying? But for sure, we're gonna get this off here. I was thinking about spraying it, but then it's on the light, you know what I'm saying? It's on the light, so I ain't gonna mess with it. So I'm gonna just debadge it, you know, some simple tools. All right guys, so the tools that we got, some Gooby Gone. We already got the Revlon. We got a little squeegee tool, probably use it to pry it up. And we got the flour strip. That's all we need. So we're gonna just warm it up and we're gonna get to pulling off, all right? All right, so we got all the you know, the letters off there. We have a little bit of goo that we gotta get up, you know, so that's where that goo be gone gonna come in. But I really didn't have to use the floss, you know. I just used the little pry tool that I have, and I got that off pretty smoothly, no scratches. You know, all we got is just a little bit of goo, but we gonna get that up out of there real fast. All right guys, so what we're gonna do, the goo be gone, just spray it. Spray it on there. And what I like to do is just rub it in a little bit. It's gonna be a little messy, all right, but just so we can get this off there real good. I'll use my fingernail to scrape it a little bit, just, you know, kind of loosen it up. Not too hard, because you don't want to scratch the paint. We're not trying to do that. All right, just kind of loosen that glue up a little bit. I'll just spray it on here and just wipe it. Wipe it down real good. On the bright side, the glue is gonna leave a shiny after finish, so we still gonna get it up off there anyways, you know. All right, that's coming off nicely. Guys, if y'all don't have the Gooby Gone, just what I'll probably do is just use the, you know, the heating gun or ear dryer, whatever you have, and just heat the goo up and just slowly wipe it off. You'll come up, you know, if you don't have the Gooby Gone. But the best thing is Gooby Gone or gasoline. All right, I don't have no gasoline right now, so you know, I don't want to be having gasoline just sitting around. Just wipe it up. And if it's acting like you don't want to come up with the goo be gone, always just, as I said, get back to the heating gun, just warm up the goo, and just get to you know, peeling. First one acting a little bit stubborn, but they're coming up though. They're no match for this goo. Be gone. Ooh, that thing looking pretty. We'll just wipe up this excess goo down here just to get this one off. This was my first one, so it had a little more goo on there than normal, but still no worse. Alright. And she's looking pretty good. Just, you know, give it a quick wipe down, make sure we don't have no goo just lingering anywhere. Quick wipe down. You know, after this, I'll probably go over it with some soap water, you know, and then just to make sure everything, we have no goo getting dried anywhere that, you know, that's going to leave a mark or something. And that's that. Look at that right there. Bam! So guys, as you can see, gone. Smooth. I'll have a little bit right here. Get this right here. You can see that. Wipe them down. All right, there it is. Y'all see that? It's all pretty. But that's how we debadge it. All right, looking way harder now. And I got the little sticker for the light, SRT. That's coming in soon, you know. But yeah, guys, and the next thing I did too was the you know, the Dodge, you know, the stripes. I got that. I painted that red. You know, that kind of set it off a little bit with the rainbows. You know, yeah. So I mean, give y'all just a quick glimpse of the monster. You know, she's looking pretty mean, man. You know, I wouldn't call myself a professional, but that look professionally done. You know, I'm gonna do the back, then we're gonna get it done. I'll give y'all a full walk around, man. All right, that's it for this video, guys. Appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. Holler back at your boy. Peace.